So we've put the T-mold right there to make a better finish, and we've also added the inserts in those small holes, and we've put the coin plate for the coin panel, and we added the coin, so everything is ready right there. So right now what we want to do is to get some space inside of the machine. So this is basically how we're gonna do it. We're just gonna unscrew the bottom of the screen mount. And here we are. We have a lot of space. So this is the system we're going to use. So basically what it is, it's a Pandora box coming directly from Small Cab. I mean, this one has a cheaper price of something like 70 euros, and you have something like 645 games, and it's a VGA output, and this is where you can adjust the volume, and this is where you can enter test, and of course it uses a double 28-pin JAMA harness to wire everything up. So now we just want to put it somewhere nice, so here will be absolutely perfect. We take a small screwdriver and we take those small screws and we're just gonna put it right there. So sadly this one is not good. Here we get a nice variety of beats. This one should do fine. So I'm just gonna take my screw and put it right there. From the other side. There, and the last one. And now we have this nice power supply, so come have a close look. We will see how it goes. So this is the 220 volt or 110 volt inputs. This is the ground input, and this is 12 volt output. This is plus 5 volt output, and this is the ground for the 12 and 5 volt. And here you have a volt adjustment, because depending on the system you will need a bit more than 5 volt or a bit less. This is a regulator basically. So the input can be either 110 or 220 volts, and the 5 volt output has 6 amps, and 12 volt output has 4 amps. This is a really nice unit. You can get those absolutely everywhere. I got mine from Small Cab, of course. So the the fact is that I'm not going to use screws to mount this. I'm going to use a double taped adhesive rubber band. So this is it, basically. I'm just grabbing two nice bands here. I had a cutting blade right there. Okay, and I'm gonna put a second one just to make sure. Let's remove the protection, and now all we have to do is put it in place right there in the unit, and that's it, we're done.